Unless a grain of wheat falls into the ground and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it bears much fruit. This sentence of Jesus from John 12 is this week's biblical watchword. Jesus uses an image from nature to prepare his disciples for his death. He tried to tell them several times that he was going to die, but they don't want to hear it. And it is the same for us today. It is difficult to talk about death, to look death in the eye, to endure our finiteness. Does natural wisdom help? Or does the sentence feel like the many cheap consolations that people hear again and again when they have to watch a loved one die or are close to death themselves? These everything will be all right sentences that are so little consolation because your own feelings say nothing will be all right. Unless a grain of wheat falls into the ground and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it bears much fruit. For me, this sentence is comforting because Jesus says it. For Jesus himself experiences both the absolute abyss of death, which makes him cry out in despair as he dies, and this incredible event of the resurrection. Jesus' resurrection proved true in real life what at first appears to be merely natural wisdom, so that we too can hope for the new eternal life. And this sentence now becomes a true consolation for us all. Unless a grain of wheat falls into the earth and dies, it remains alone. But if it dies, it bears much fruit. Go blessed and guarded by God into this week.